Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials, update firmware and insert a formatted high-speed card. Once done, power with a charged battery or AC adapter so you don't interrupt recording. Next, set resolution to 4K UHD and choose a frame rate, 24 for cinematic, 30 for smooth, 60 for action. Make sure codec and bitrate match your editing pipeline. If you'll color grade, pick a flat profile to preserve highlights and shadows. You now lock down exposure and focus. Start by setting shutter speed roughly twice your frame rate to get natural motion blur. Then choose aperture for depth of field, wider for subject isolation, smaller for more depth. Once done, switch to manual focus and use focus peaking or magnify to nail sharpness. If the subject moves, plan smooth focus pulls. Finally, set ISO lowest for clean footage and raise it only when needed. Balancing noise. You're ready to record, but don't rush. Attach an external monitor or recorder to validate framing, color, and to create a backup file. Record a short test clip and immediately check waveform and histogram to confirm correct exposure. Zoom to 100% for focus verification. Make a habit of monitoring audio levels and battery temperature during long takes. If something goes wrong, try swapping the cable or media, reformat the card, update or reinstall firmware, and reset settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.